Hello, hi friends. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is variable, what is the importance of variable, how to use the variable. All those things we will discuss in this video. Just a variable is a container which holds the value whenever the Java program is going to be executed. And a variable is also assigned with a data type. Here, integer is a data type. We will learn data types in detail in next video. Just we can say what is variable means. Variable is a name of memory location because uh, if we read the sentence, a variable is the name of a reserved area allocated in memory. What is the meaning of this sentence means? Just a variable is the name given to a particular memory location. In our laptop or computer, there will be some memory. That memory doesn't have any particular name. So, in order to use that memory, we are giving some name to that particular memory location. For example, here if we consider this example, int data is equal to 50. Here, 50 is the data stored in the particular memory location. We are giving the name to that location is known as data. So we can say that it is a name given to that memory location. So that's why we can say here the data is a variable name. The name itself says vary means variable. The name in the variable says vary means the values can be changed. The variable names can be changed based on our requirement. And also we can learn in detail about in next slide. Okay. There are mainly three types of variables in Java. These are the types of variables. First one is local variable, and second one is instance variable, and the third one is static variable. We will discuss each and every variable in detail in next slide. Okay, let me see the different types of variables. Here we can see these are the three different types of variables in Java. The first one is local variable. We will discuss about local variable as of now. For explaining these three local variables, I have chosen one program. With the help of this program, we can explain all these variables. So as of now, I will explain local variable. Okay. Here, here the uh, class name is A, public class A. There will be a static variable is there, and the local variable is there, and the instance variable is there. As of now, we are discussing about this local variable. So we will go in detail about this local variable as of now. Yeah, I will explain each and every points with the help of that program only. Whatever the points is there here, I will explain each and every point with the help of this program. A local variable is a variable declared inside a method. Means a local variable is declared inside a method. We will see in program. So here it is a local variable which is declared inside a method. The name of the method is method. Inside this method there will be a variable. It is named as local variable because whenever a variable which is inside the method, then it is known as local variable. Yeah, you can use this variable only within this method only. And the other example is, and the other methods in the class don't aware about it. For example, whatever the variable n, it is local variable. For example, there will be another method here, method 2. Whatever the variables is there inside, we don't matter on it. The variable which is inside this method doesn't know about the other method. The other methods in the class are not aware that the variable exists. And also other point is a local variable cannot be defined with the static keyword. We will know static in detail in this video only. As of now, there is no then it is not possible to define a static with this local variable. So I covered almost all points as local variable. I think you got some points on local variable. Then I will explain about the second one is instance variable. We will go with in detail about instance variable. Yeah, so we can explain about the instance variable now. A variable declared inside the class, you can say it is class A. The variable is declared inside the class, but outside the body of the method. There it is not a method, and it is also the outside of the method, outside of the body of the method. Here int n is equal to 90 is local variable inside the method, but here int data is equal to 50 is the outside the method. It's called an instance variable. I can repeat it. A variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method, but outside the body of the method, we can say it is an instance variable. And here also it is outside the method and inside the class, but here there will be static keyword, but in instance variable there is no static keyword, so that's why it is not an instance variable, it is only the instance variable. Mainly it is called an instance variable because its value is instance specific and it is not shared among the instances. These are the some key points about instance variable. You may go through it. If we explain each and every point, then the video will go long time. So I am going next with types of variables. Third type is static variable. As of now, we know about local variable, instance variable. Now we will know about static variable. What is static variable? Let me explain about what is static variable. Static variable and the instance variable are same, but the difference is here the static keyword is there, and also there will be some differences there. We will know about what is the difference. A variable that is declared with a static is called a static variable. It cannot be local variable because in the methods only we can create local variables. So it is not possible. It is not a local variable. You can create a single copy of static variable. Whatever the variable we are creating a single copy, it can be shared to all the instances of the classes. And also the memory allocation for the static variable is happen only once when the class is loaded into the memory. So this is the main advantage because if we create a static variable as one copy, we can share among all the instances with the help of the single copy only. And also the memory allocations happen only once whenever the class is loaded into the memory. At that time only memory allocation is takes place. So it is the beauty of static keyword. So static plays an important role. We will let me know some points about static. A variable which is declared as static is known as static variable. I explained already all those points. Yeah, you can go through all these points. And also the other important is in static, to access static variables, we need not to create an object of that class. We can simply access the variable as a class name dot variable name. For example, I can go through this code. Yeah. Here, in order to access the static variable, we can simply we don't need to create any object. We can access simply by a dot m. Means this is the class name, and by using the dot, we can access this variable name. And simply, we can access a dot m. There is no need to create a separate object for in order to call that static method. So static variables. We will learn more about static keyword in further tutorials, further videos. Sorry. So let me conclude that this type of variables in Java. If needed, we can know in detail about further videos. So thank you.